Bristol-based beauty retailer Bath and Unwind have done gifts with purchase and beauty boxes every now and then, particularly around holiday season. So last year I bought their bathing box for 2021 and it was gorgeous. This year I've got the bathing box for 2022 over here, and that's still available, and it retails at £55. They ship worldwide, and a discount code is also available, which I will put down in the description box below. So yeah, I didn't have to pay any postage for it either, and everything inside is full size. This is supposed to contain 7 full-sized products. So this is the box. This is the box, Bath and Unwind bathing box, it says. And let's open that. Oh, nice smell. Everything smells nice. Oopsie. Okay, let me try and... Something has leaked here, as you can see. That's probably a body lotion. So those are the contents. I am a sucker for bath and body products. I actually prefer them to skincare now, to buying skincare mystery boxes now, or skincare general boxes, or collection of skincare. Because my skincare needs have changed completely. My skin's changed completely post-jab, post-vaccination. There is a video on that, and I now use quasi-pharmaceutical products such as CeraVe and Vanicream and Eucerin and Aven and so on, La Roche-Posay. So my skincare needs have changed. I no longer buy skincare boxes. I prefer bath and body care boxes. Makeup, saturated here, people. If it's multi-cream, I'll buy it. Otherwise, I'm not interested. So let's see what we have here. The first product, the one that is leaked, because there is spillage on the side as well. Oh, there's a bit of a dent on the sides as well. This is the Scottish Fine Soaps Company Body Milk. Smells wonderful. Smells so good. This is full size, 250 mils, and retails at £13.50. So full-sized body milk here, people, and yeah, it contains organic milk. It is not a vegan product. It also contains cocoa seed butter and mineral oil. So, alright, a bit has leaked, I'm afraid. I may not bother telling them. They are a very small indie company, not, the same level as the Hut Group or anything, so I may not tell them what's happened. Right, the next product is a body scrub. Nuxe Revdemir body scrub, 175 mils, indeed full-sized, retailing at £21. Good. I was running out of body scrubs. Excellent choice. The next product is a candle, Saint Ival, made in the UK, sandalwood candle, 220 grams, not your mingy 30 mil tiny little thing, 30 gram, not your 75 gram or 70 gram diptyque mini either. This is proper full size 220 gram sandalwood, a scent that I love. Okay, I'll probably price this open off camera so that no, it's actually opened. Yeah, there's a wick in that, single wick. The creamy sandalwood. I love sandalwood so much. This might actually go into a hamper for my mother, if I can bear to part with it, because it smells so good. The next product is from Noble Oil. This is the Fireside Shower Gel, 250 mils, which retails at £22, indeed full-sized. Yeah, nice. Fireside actually smells nice. Spicy, a bit of a unisex scent there. Incidentally, they had a Fireside Shower Gel last year as well. But I am happy to receive it because, you can't have too many shower gels or, soaps for starters. I'm always running out. For another thing, it is a product that I really liked. The next product is from Alvirum. It is a bath oil, a product we have seen before in a number of gifts with purchase and beauty boxes, particularly from Space NK. But yeah, this is full-sized at 125 mils and retails at £39.50. I've, reached around so much in one bottle of this thing. No, I don't have it. I think it's a Milu. So yeah, this is a backup. I don't need to buy a bath oil in forever. Now, I don't adore it. I think it's all right if you have a cold, which means I should probably be using it now. Good idea, that. Timely. But because, I feel it smells a bit eucalyptusy, mentholy, menthol and eucalyptus. That's what I'm getting. They sent the Alvirum bath oil last year as well, I'm afraid. So those are the exciting products in this box. Now here's an unexciting one. A natural bath sponge body buffer grey from Hydrea London, which, yeah, this is made in China as well. This apparently retails at £3.29. The problem is they sent the exact same thing last year. The exact same thing. So I've got two, and I didn't even use these things because, you know, hands are good enough. Yeah, maybe, you know, if I want some exfoliation or something. Lastly, excited to try this because I've heard loads of good things. Space mask. My first space mask, actually. I have never used a face mask and I have no idea how that works. 15 minutes of otherworldly warmth. Apparently it heats up. I can't feel any heat in there. Apparently you've got to wear it for the heat. Contains essence of jasmine and iron powder. Let's hope I don't rust in there. So excited about trying this out. So two products that I wasn't excited about. The Olveron bath oil, I couldn't give an arse about. The others I really like, but I think for £55 plus discount, I paid around 40 quid for it with the, with my code and reward points and everything. So 40-ish quid, this is alright. For 40 quid you get a full-sized body moisturizer, a full-sized body scrub, a full-sized candle, and a full-size shower gel. The rest of it is nonsense. So the body milk alone is £13.50 and the shower gel is £22 and the body scrub is £21. They add up to more than the cost of the box. That's fair enough in my book. That's alright in my book. I am happy I bought it. Second year running. I know next year let's hope they stop repeating that infernal sponge and add something else instead. And, you know, maybe change over the Noble Oil Fireside shower gel as well. You know, maybe rhubarb or some other fragrance will do. Some changes needed next year, but I am excited. I may, in all probability, buy next year as well because, you know, this is fairly cheap and a good way of pampering yourself and getting some new bath and body in to try. Full-sized everything. Good deal. Still available. Where to buy? In the description box below. Do check it out. So, what bath and body have you hauled recently? Have you got this? Will you be interested in something like this? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell and speak to you soon.